Hi guys, this is Adori. I'm Audrix, and together we are
the AO5 Bros, and we're about to go to Five Below
again.
Yeah.
So we're getting games because we know that Atlanta's gonna have a snowstorm and an ice storm and all that. So we're getting games from Five Below so we can play those games while, so we're getting stuff to play games while we're inside. Yeah, we're getting games. So I think this is gonna be pretty fun. Are you joking? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, so we're at Five Below now, and okay, yeah. My dad is going to another store real quick. He said he would be gone for 3 minutes.
Don't take that cap out your mouth no more.
And
I'm not pushing you on this buggy.
I have a watch, and I can actually play games on it. See?
All right, let's get out the front.
But it's baby games.
Well, not really. It's not baby games. It's games, but
It's baby stuff.
I mean, you have the exact same watch.
I used to use it.
Oh, look what they have. They have one of these.
What? Is this a troll from Trolls? Ah, where's it gone? It's only strings. This one is just you can actually take it apart. But this one is better because it already has stick suction tubes on it, and it cannot rip apart.
What are these?
What are those?
So cringe all the time.
I am not cringe.
Adore. You literally say Sigma, Skibbity. You say 6, 7, all of those.
Yeah,
You're a literal Gen Boomer.
I am not a boomer, bro.
Yes, you are. I think I want this.
Let me see, it look tight.
And you can flip it into different things. There's a lot of shapes you can flip it in.
An illusion cube. Okay,
And then
let's see.
Yeah, we're gonna need 2 games. Shade your thing.
Okay, we're gonna get this game, Dino Doctor. It's a watered down version of Operation.
When we really learn how to do this YouTube stuff, and we get into the YouTube stuff, and we actually do it when we actually start doing it at the stuff we're supposed to do when we get good at making YouTube videos, then we're gonna start doing games. You don't have to get the same thing as me, Adori. You can ask.
I like it.
He like it.
Yeah, we have a game.
But I didn't even pick out a game.
We have this cat game at the house that we're
Those two are
supposed to.
Adori's.
We have this cat game at the house that. Be quiet. Shut your.
So we all know that that in Atlanta there's gonna be a snowstorm, and my mom said and in Mississippi. So that means that we're gonna have to be prepared. Oh, this is my dad. Hey, Dad. No. So when all the snow is gone, guess what? Nothing to worry about, and we're going back to school.
If it's soft, we could probably play outside.
Yeah,
Probably.
but since it's already the weekend, we're still not gonna have school until Monday.
Oh my God, you're so strong. Look at you. Look at you go.
How much
Oh.
pounds is that?
We can easily find our cat. Find our dad.
Cat?
Daddy, I just called you a cat. No, I did not mean to. I meant dad. We can easily find our dad. He's super duper tall. Or you not know Mike Wazowski? You Mike Wazowski.
I don't know Mike Wazowski is.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. About to go to the register. And when we go to the register, we're gonna scan our stuff and then leave. My brother's so dramatic because he cried because I only spent 1 Robux. And he cried. And he even tried to fight me over 1 Robux. 1 Robux. Just so y'all know, I worked hard on that Robux. I had to wait 1 entire year to earn that Robux. And he spended it. I only have 28 Robux. Can't forget that. Mrs. Pajamas.
Mrs. Pajamas.
Yes.
I'm Mrs. Pajamas.
Yes, you have to have pajamas every single day.
Oh, wait.
Different pajamas. If you eat sour and more sour things, then you'll probably be immune because you've ate so much. You've ate so much that it doesn't even have the sourness anymore in it. In your brain, the sourness is just there, and the sour part for your brain going to your tongue is making your tongue taste nothing about how sour stuff. If you like, the like button will become blue, and if you subscribe, the subscribe button will become red. So if you want to try that out, you can try it by liking and subscribing. And if you want to, you can share. Share it with all your friends. But over the years, our YouTube videos will become better and better and better. And hey, we'll even make shorts. Over the years, our videos will be epic.
So what should they do?
More epic,
And subscribe.
like and subscribe and share. See you in the next video.
And
Peace.